guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to pop on here and thank you all for following along, for supporting my channel. I am so grateful to have you all be part of my YouTube family. I have enjoyed this journey so much, from growing each and every one of my channels. So I wanted to pop on here and wish you all a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Hope the new year brings you tons of health, joy, and prosperity. And once again, thank you so much for following along, and I'm looking forward to what the new year is bringing for across all of my channels. I am looking forward to all the videos that I'm planning on bringing you again across all my channels. I will be doing a full channel updates individually for every single channel in the new year, probably within the first couple days of the new year, just to kind of let you know what to expect and to introduce myself to all the new followers that have been joining me over the past few months. So for now, I hope you guys stay safe over these holidays. I hope you spend lots of good times with your family and friends. And once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I'll see you all in about a week, a little bit longer. There might be a surprise video next week, but haven't quite decided whether that's the way I want to go. But for now, I am going to take a break, and I'll see you all in the new year. Thanks so much for following along and watching. Bye.